Strengthening Faith 97. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Every Muslim, irrespective of the strength of their faith, believes in the reality of Judgment Day, as this is one of the main pillars of faith. But the strength of one's belief in Judgment Day varies between Muslims. Even though assessing someone's exact level of belief in Judgment Day is beyond the capability of humans, as this is a hidden matter, yet there are some signs which do indicate the strength of one's belief. One of these signs is how much or little a Muslim is dedicated to learning and acting upon the two sources of guidance, the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. The stronger one's belief in Judgment Day, the more they will practically prepare for it. This is only possible when one learns and acts on the two sources of guidance, which in turn shows them how to use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. So the stronger one's belief in Judgment Day, the more they will practice on the two sources of guidance, and the weaker one's belief, the less they will practice on the two sources of guidance. This is why the one who does not believe in Judgment Day will not bother with the two sources of guidance, as they have no need to prepare for something they do not believe in. From this, one can assess how much they truly believe in the Day of Judgment. If they hardly learn and act on the two sources of guidance, it indicates that they hardly believe in Judgment Day, even if they claim otherwise. Every Muslim must regularly conduct this self-assessment, so that they ensure they do not fool themselves into believing they possess strong faith in Judgment Day, even though, practically speaking, they hardly believe in it. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.